Hey y'all, welcome to Texas Kaiju Fishing. So this morning we're at the Brazos River in Waco, Texas. The portion I am fishing is near the dam. The dam is packed. It is 6 in the morning and it's already packed. So there's a little park over here, a little picnic area that has access to the river. I'm gonna fish it. Gonna start with the top water. Have a jitterbug tied on. See if we can get anything. I see some activity, but just because you see activity don't mean you're gonna get a hit. People come out here. Come on. Not a lot. Oh, that's what it is. I see a bobber. My thing wasn't swimming right. I won't try this long. Not really a fan of it. But I've never caught a fish on it, so. It's the only topwater I have in my travel bag. I mean, I'm out here early, why not try topwater? It's a big old tree in the water over here. All right, took off the jitterbug. I'm gonna go with this pink 1/16 ounce rooster tail. Water is clearer than it has been this week. I've been fishing this whole week, visiting my parents, and the water has been murky because of the rain we had on Tuesday and Wednesday. Little minnows. That's what's popping on the surface. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. What is this? Catfish. Yee. Little channel cat. Come on. Put your barb down. All right, y'all, as I was unhooking that catfish, he wasn't cooperating. Lost my rooster tail down there and released the catfish. So we had to switch it up. Got this cream lure paddle tail. You too, sir. So this one works really well when you kill it, so I'm just gonna jig it along. Dude was telling me about fishing with snails. Oh, that's a hit. Get back out there. Right next to that stump too. Oh, that's a snag. Golly, that's already, it's my second lure. It's the only downside of fishing anything heavier than a 6-pound test. Breaking this off is a pain in the butt. What should I tie on next? Come right back at me. Felt like it. Yeah, it did. Hook broke off though. But retying. What should I go with, y'all? Broke that hook on that swim bait. I'm gonna throw the swinging jig head, the swimming crawl from Big Bite Baits on it. It's hard to tell if anything's gonna come, if anything hits it in this current. Hopefully they kill it like that catfish did on that rooster tail. People probably lose a lot of lures fishing rivers. I know I've lost plenty. It's like that. I lose more fishing rivers than I do fishing my lake. But I just feel like in a river, me personally, my monkey brain is telling me every cast I'm catching something. And that's just my monkey brain. Let me get a big cast. Let that get the bottom. Yeah, that old wily catfish, man. I needed one more barb to get out of him. And barb, it got me was a side fin. just enough for me to let go of him. Well, when I let go of him, dang rooster tail goes flying over there. I was like, ah. Thought I had a good grip on the rooster tail, but I didn't. No telling what those pops are over there. But let's get a good cast out there. See if we can get him to hit this fake crawl. Man, that guy was telling me about fishing with snails. There's plenty of snails in my yard, that's for sure. Use a size 6 hook. Put them in a bucket, get some water on them, they'll come out. While they're out, you jab them, they'll suck that hook in, and you clamp them. They'll be good to go. It says catfish go for them, bass go for them, but not crappie. Crappie are really picky, I guess. Somebody was fishing with that Cajun line. It's red. I still don't know how they cast it that high. I'm stuck with somebody's line. There's that bobber there. There's a bobber here. That bobber I just caused to go down, so their line's still in the water. Ooh, little fish running away from something. Only brought one battery, so whatever I'm gonna do, I better do it. Until I run out of battery. That's it. Going home. Alright, last cast here, and then I'm gonna go pack it up, walk, see if that damn trail is open. There's a crawl right there. Looks like a Zoom speed crawl. He had it tail hooked on a jig head. I don't know if y'all can see it. Little Christmas ornament. Yeah, it's a Zoom speed crawl. Casualties of fishing. Oh man, I've already lost 2. Dang, I've lost 2. That's how it happens. That's how it happens. Bro, he got up there, down here. Wow. That's impressive. Where did you cast from? Where could you cast from? So it's tangled up there, but it's also tangled over here to the right. And that line is... So he must have cast it from there. Need to get the CSI team on it. All right, let's get out of here. Well, I went to go check out that spot that had the path leading to the dam. It was locked. I guess it's a community trail or whatever. And then I went to my other spot that I usually fish. It was super packed. Just didn't want to be around there with the camera on. So it didn't work out. I was able to catch that one catfish. Then I lost that rooster tail, and well, that's just fishing for you. Some days are easy, some days are hard. But I guess can't complain, didn't skunk out. Well, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Until next time, y'all take it easy.